project manager of Latur Water Supply Management Company, Latur, which is a subsidiary group of Subhas Projects Infrastructures Limited. Sri Sushil Sethi is our managing director and Sri Srirang Deshpande is our project director. We started our operation here in Latur during January 2008. Initially, we collected complete technical details about Latur Water Supply project. Then we carried out extensive network survey for bulk supply system, water treatment plants and distribution network. We prepared the drawings of entire water supply system. Tripartite agreement between Latur Municipal Corporation, Maharashtra Jeevan Pradhikaran and Latur Water Supply Management Company signed on 4th June 2008. Later on, LWSMCL developed bulk supply operation plan report, bulk supply rehabilitation plan report, distribution valve location diagrams, current operational analysis report and proposed operational analysis report, Latur distribution optimization upgrading plan, Latur operational plan report, Latur operational plan report for alternate day supply. Like many reports, we submitted to MJP for their reference and record. We suffered many hindrances in the execution of this project, like ransacking of our office 5-6 times, and MJP informed us to stop and postpone the activities due to these developments indefinitely. In spite of all these disturbances, LWSMCL was totally determined to execute this project and make this unique project successful. So we again started our activities in November 2009 and became successful in initiation of the project with kind help from Central Heavy Industrial Minister Sri Vilasrao Deshmukh ji, Latur local MLA Sri Amit Deshmukh ji, District Collector Sahib, District Superintendent of Police, Latur Municipal Corporation and Maharashtra Jeevan Pradhikaran officials and all citizens of Latur. LWSMCL management is very much thankful to all these people who are directly and indirectly associated with our start of this project. Complete assets of Latur water supply scheme and 17 numbers of LMC MJP manpower also being transferred to us for carrying out smooth operation of the scheme during last week of March 2010. Condition precedent period started from 1st April 2010 and will be in force for 6 months. LWSMCL already carrying out the operation of bulk supply, 3 water treatment plants and distribution system comprising 2 MBR and 10 ESR. Almost 80% of leakages and blockages are arrested. Mass awareness programs are being conducted like drying competition for children on water saving, tap installation program to stop wastage of water, Natural Safety Day celebration and Water Conservation Month. Meanwhile, we carried out assets condition, joint verification with MJP and segregated major and minor jobs. As per the contract agreement, major jobs will be attended by MJP and minor jobs will be attended by LWSMCL. Accordingly, LWSMCL continued with minor repair jobs of civil, mechanical and electrical nature, and as on today, almost 80% of minor jobs already we completed. We deployed almost 125 people including field staff and office staff for the operation of water supply system in Latur. Already we started alternate day supply plan for complete Latur city. Our ultimate aim is to supply water to Latur citizens on daily basis at the rate of 100 LPCD, which we are determined to achieve in a short period. Water meters, approximately 60,000 numbers, are required to be installed in Latur city, which is having a network of 450 km distribution pipeline network. Present demand of Latur city is 40 to 45 MLD, whereas the water supply system is designed for 80 MLD, anticipating future growth of the city. LWSMCL has developed a unique hydraulic analysis software with all relevant inputs for analysis of how the complete Latur water supply network works and modifications to be carried out in achieving the equal distribution. We procured the satellite image of Latur city from Survey of India, and overlaying of Latur distribution network on the satellite image is already completed. Consumer survey is being conducted and the details are loaded to hydraulic analysis software. Present network updations also incorporated in the system. Billing software is already developed and installed to facilitate collection of revenue. We established one main office and 5 zonal offices in Latur city with the LAN network for facilitating consumers to pay their water bills from any of these offices. Condition precedent period closes by September 2010 and a contract period which is for 10 years commences from October 2010. Now I will explain you the complete details about this Latur water supply project, starting from Dhanegaon headworks, then Harangal and other WTPs, ESR and all the distribution network.
We are on the way to Dhanegaon headworks, which is 55 km away from Latur city. We reached here to Dhanegaon reservoir, where Latur irrigation department has constructed the dam across the Manjra river. The total gross capacity of the dam is 202 mm3. Annual water requirement of Latur city is approximately 25 mm3, which is just 10% of gross capacity of the dam. The quality of water is very good. The dam is having 18 gates for water supply operation. This is the pump house of Latur water supply scheme. Present water level in the dam is 636 meter. This is the downstream view of the dam. This is the pump house of Latur water supply scheme. The size of the pump house is 23.5 meter by 11.5 meter with the height of 10.75 meter. There are 3 vertical turbine pumps. The installed capacity is 1703 cubic meter per hour with VSS ST motors of 510 kilowatts. Lighting panel board, motor control panel board, 3.3 kV supply motor feeder, this is the relay control panel board, and alarm annunciates hoods during abnormal condition. Overhead crane of 10 metric ton capacity used during pumps and motors servicing for lifting and lowering the equipment's pump intake stream. This scheme is commissioned in the year 2005. Intake well of the scheme, which is in elliptical shape and the size is 4 meter by 6 meter. There are 2 RCC connecting mains of size 1800 mm for a length of 92.5 meter. Again, there are 2 inspection wells of size 6 meter by 2 meter, and the jack well size is 17.15 meter by 6.35 meter and elliptical in shape with a depth of 21.5 meter. This is the rising main starting from pump house to pressure shaft. The length is 4.25 km and pipeline size is 965 mm MS pipe. ST cables of different sizes are running from ST indoor substation to pump house. This is 33 kV incomer main breaker and adjacent